So we are prepping coffee for Coffee Enema. This is the company that I highly recommend. We're going to add 3 tablespoons of coffee to a boiling water. Let that boil for 3 minutes on high. Okay, so after 3 minutes, you're going to cover it and bring it to simmer on low heat. So total time 15 minutes. Okay, so you're going to use a strainer. This is what I use. It's a stainless steel strainer, fine strainer. And then you're going to pour the coffee in. Remember, you lost some water, so you're going to have to replenish it. So make sure you have 4 cups. Okay, it's 4 cups of water. I'm gonna bring the coffee down to 97 degrees. I like to have it at 100 degrees. By the time you get the coffee going, it cools down too much. So I place my container in cold water. I use stainless steel ones. So I simply cool it down in cold water till it reaches about 100 degrees Fahrenheit. Now that the coffee is made, you need to lay down on your right side with your knees to your chest. You're going to make sure that the tube goes about 4 to 6 inches in. That's going to allow the circulation of blood through the liver several times. If you can't hold the coffee, which usually it happens with people who are very toxic, you will need to release it sooner. Beginners usually hold the coffee for about 3 to 4 minutes. If you're really toxic, it might take you a minute to release the coffee. So best advice is hydrate yourself throughout the day very well. Usually my go-to is Granny Smith apple and carrot juice, which I drink throughout the day. Make sure you have some Celtic sea salt for minerals. And it's crucial to drink at least 24 ounces of juice after each coffee enema to replenish what's lost. So hold the coffee for 15 minutes and then release it. And if you have to, you can release it sooner.